I think we are live. Hello students and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. So in the past few credit officer level exams, what I have noticed, there is at least sometimes two or three questions from government schemes. So government schemes are really important for all the credit officer level exams. So latest mobile apps, latest banking products, or the government schemes, the latest committees, or the banking awareness, the latest RBI circulars, the union budget, economic survey, the ratio analysis, cost of capital, capital structure, all these topics are really important and I'm going to cover all of them, right? So let's just start the today's session. I'm going to share 7 important questions, right? So let's just start the session. Before starting the session, should I just, share... I think somebody in my team already did that. Let me just open the live chat so that if there is any doubt in your mind, you can always ask your doubts in that, super chat and I'm going to answer it. So I think, yep. Let me just share this session. I think somebody else has already done that. Okay. Let's start the session. Follow me on Telegram, students. I'm available on Telegram. My channel name is Bank Exams Today. So anyway, if there is any doubt in your mind, you can always ask your doubts in the comment section. So Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Pradhan, please remember this. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Whenever I'm doing MCQs, I'm providing detailed, in-depth explanations, and I'm going to provide the PDF for this particular lecture on the on my Telegram channel. So Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana is applicable to small traders and vendors of age group of 18 to 16, shopkeepers and small businesses. But no, it is applicable to all the individuals of from the age of 18 to 70. It is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. So Uttar Pradesh is the first state to implement Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. It is an accident insurance scheme. The schedule is 1st June to 31st of May. The risk cover is 2 lakh for the accidental death and total permanent disability, and 1 lakh for partial disability, right? So all the individuals, even the NRIs, I don't know how it is they are going to implement it to NRIs, but all the individual and NRIs, they are part of, they can, they can be part of it. So 18 to 70 years of age group, they are eligible for Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. So I hope quite important. Okay. With respect to Pradhan Mantri Laghu Vyapari Mandhan Yojana, choose the correct statement. It is eligible for person between 18 to 40. So the person will get a monthly pension of 3,000 rupees. Let me just give you that explanation anyway. So it is a centrally sponsored scheme for small traders and retailers. Pradhan Mantri Laghu Vyapari Mandhan Yojana. So self-employed retail traders, restaurant, small hotel trader, commission agent, rice mill owners, they are eligible. Everybody who's all the businessmen, small businessmen whose annual turnover is less than 1.5 crore and age is between 18 to 40 years, they are eligible for the scheme, and they are going to get 3,000 rupee of minimum pension. They'll get a minimum pension, monthly pension of 3,000 rupee when he or she attains the 60 years of age, right? So monthly contribution, they need to make a contribution till the age of 60, and the government is going to make a matching contribution, and the contribution varies with the age of the applicant. As a person of 18 years of age would have contributed rupees 55 per month, while 40 years old person, he would need to pay 200 rupee per month. So कम age में कम पैसे pay करने पड़ेंगे because you are investing it for a long period of time. So what is important here? 1.5 crore का limit turnover का, implemented to age of 18 to 40. So 3,000 minimum pension is 3,000 rupee. So up to the age of 60 you need to pay. So that's important. Eligibility criteria, the benefits and the age limits, that's important. So yes, eligibility criteria, the age limit and the contribution, right? So I'm reading. Let's move forward. Question number 3. And yes, the applicant must not be covered already under the employee state insurance scheme, and the scheme is based on the self-declaration of subscriber, and no document is required for the scheme. So, next question. Which of the following businesses can't take the benefit of alternate composition scheme? First of all, the service provider. What is alternate composition scheme? There are, see, filing your returns for GST, right? Either you can file the monthly GST returns, and then there is a composition scheme that you don't want to file your monthly returns. Then there is a composition scheme, right? If your revenue is up to 1.5 crore, if manufacturers or traders with a taxable turnover of up to 1.5 crore are eligible for the scheme, and turnover limit for northeast states is 75 lakhs. Okay, and for service providers this limit is 50 lakhs. They just need to pay under the composition scheme, they just need to pay 1% of the revenue as tax, and for the restaurant owners this is 5% and 6% for service providers. Okay, so they cannot charge the tax separate. They cannot collect GST from the customers. They need to pay from their own pockets, right? And they don't need to file the monthly return. That is composition scheme, right? But there are certain drawbacks. Certain players, the e-commerce players, the businesses with tobacco and pan masala, interstate supply. You are from Ludhiana and Punjab, and you want to supply products to Karnataka. You need to get that GST number. The ice cream manufacturer, these four players, they need to get the GST number anyway. So e-commerce players, they need to get their GST number anyway. They cannot opt for composition scheme. So Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched in the year 2016. What it is actually, there is a uniform premium of 2% to be paid by the farmers for all the Kharif crop and 1.5% for the Rabi crop. For commercial crops, it is 5%, right? Balance payment is made by the government. So that is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. It was launched in 2016. So Atal Bhujal Yojana, that is very, very important. Basically what it is a community based, it should be mentioned here, it is community based water management scheme, right? 6,000 crore is a budget. There are 7 states are identified. It aims, that is important, aims at groundwater management through community participation in identified participated states. Please remember the names of the state. ये याद रख लीजिए: महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान, मध्य प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, हरियाणा, गुजरात and Karnataka. In these 7 states, this particular scheme is implemented. And 50% of the total outlay of rupees 6,000 shall be in form of World Bank loan, and rest to be paid by the central government. Okay, so it is launched by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. So the intensified mission Indradhanush 2.0 aims to escalate the efforts to achieve the goal of attaining how much percentage of national immunization coverage across India, that is 90%, and it aims at 8 diseases that includes diphtheria, whooping cough, tetanus, poliomyelitis, tuberculosis, measles, meningitis, and hepatitis B, right? So 90% national immunization coverage, it is targeted. Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, it covers only small and marginal farmers. It does not cover the landless farmers. That is very important. So what this scheme credits an amount of 6,000 in 3 installments. 6,000 in 3 installment, one installment of 2,000 rupee, and it has a total budget of 75,000 crore. Direct benefit transfer to the bank accounts. West Bengal and Delhi, earlier they refused, but now Delhi has accepted it for the benefit of 11,000 farmers. And Telangana was the first government. They implemented it, and then they named it as Raithu Bandhu scheme. Choose a correct option in context of sovereign gold bond scheme. So really important, issued by the Reserve Bank of India. So bond is restricted to be sold by the resident individual, universities, charitable institutions, HUFs and the trust. So it's for the period of 8 years is the period, and there is an exit option after 5 years. Maturity period is 8 years. Minimum permissible investment limit is 1 gram of gold. Maximum limit of subscribed gold should be 4 kg for individual and HUF and 20 kgs for trust and the similar entities. In case of joint holding, the investment limit is 4 kg applicable to the first applicant only. The investors will be compensated with fixed interest rate of 2.5%. You are giving a gold to that government, to that RBI. And the RBI is paying you 2.5% interest, right? Semi-annually. And the bonds can be used as a collateral for the loans, right? So, which one are the correct? In case of joint holding, investment limit is 4 kg. Minimum permissible investment is 1 gram of gold. Bond can be used as collateral for the loan. So, all are correct. I hope you like the today's session. If you want to join that Indian Bank SO course, the links are available in the description. I am providing video classes, special attention to professional knowledge section, downloadable notes are there, interview preparation guide is there, all India test series, quizzes, doubt clearing sessions. Why bank exams today? Because we are experts in specialist officer exams and we got 300 selection in various specialist officer exams last year, right? And our study material is updated and we provide the doubt clearing sessions and live classes. Just go to bankexamstudy.com. The link is available in the description. This is my WhatsApp number 9067201000. So these are the successful students in RRB Scale 2, Bank of Baroda Wealth Management, IBPS SO Marketing, Vijaya Bank. So join us and just give a look to the complete course. Just go to bankexamstudy.com, sign up there and just give it a look how the quality of content that we are providing for free as well. A lot of quality content is available for free. In that recently the exam was held, the IBPS SO marketing, 22 questions came directly from our test series only, right? And at least I think 35 questions was there from our course. So overall I would say 35 to 40 questions were there in the exam directly from our course. So I can assure you the final selection if you complete the course. So that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye.